Well, another day out here in this snow, bro. Check it out. Look how much, man. Look how much, dude. This fucking, man. Thank God it melted so much, though. Snowy. Look at this guy's mountain full of snow, man. This got a small driveway, man. But anyways, I cannot believe it, man. It's so windy and snowy. Yeah, no, get inside. I am gonna get inside. I gotta go shopping next time again too, so, but it is getting colder and it's windier, so it's gonna be cool, man. Too much snow, dude. Yeah, man, one snow is really big and the other one isn't. So, but let me get a little close up here, you know. How you guys doing? How are you? I know, right? Woo. It's freezing over here, dude. It's windy. Look at the icicles, man. Whoa. Yeah. It's gonna snow tonight, I guess, too, you know. But, yeah, dude, I felt sorry for the animals, man. God. I felt sorry for the animals around here. Nice and snowy, dude. Look at that. I don't even want to walk, man. That's crazy. Shit. But let me get more footage, man, from here. Windy, man. Shit. Windy, man. Look at that, man. Look at the sun. That's cool, man. Clouds are cool. They look like snow too, man. Cool place, man. It's like Antarctica out here, man. And more to come, thank God, dude. I mean, yeah, it's cool, man. It's so bright too. When I was taking the snow out of the car, man, and my eyes got so bright, I had to go inside it, and I couldn't see a thing. So bright, man. Yeah, that's it. 2 minutes. Yeah, this guy won't start, man. It's a dud. Poor guy, man. He's filled with snow. Oh my God, this person right here, man, he's got a lot of icicles. Wow, look at that, man. It's Icicle City there. Yeah. Let me open up the garage here. Come on, Lord, thank you. Oh, man. It's there, man. It's rusted already. That's what I don't like about those things. They rust right away, man. Look at the nice icicles. I love it. So nice, man. That's cool. But yeah, I'm a happy joy. Like Ren and Stimpy, man. Nice and windy. Holy shit, man. Oh God. Okay, I'm gonna do it the other side.